we are expected to carry out this multiplication and leave our answer in base 2. So let's get straight off into the solution. So the first number given is 11101 to base 2. So let's have it 1 1 1 0 1 to be multiplied by 111. So let's have 1 1 1. There must be alignment on the left, the extreme right, the far right of the numbers should align that way. Now we can do the multiplication digit by digit. So let's go starting from the digit on the far right hand side. 1 times 1 gives us 1. These numbers are written, of course, to base 2, which means at the end there must be no digits up to 2 in the result. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 gives us 0. 1 times 1 gives 1. 1 times the next one gives 1. 1 times the last one gives us 1. We continue in that manner. The next digit is 1 down here. So that should multiply 1 times 1, again, 1. And observe carefully, the result is written underneath that 1 towards the left. So 1 times 0 gives us 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. And the last digit, 1 times 1 gives us 1. Now it is the turn of the last digit, and then we're going to write the result underneath. 1 times 1, that gives us 1. 1 times 0 gives us 0. 1 times 1 gives us 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. And finally, 1 times 1 gives 1 there. Now we're going to have to add all these digits. This addition must be done also in base 2. So let's go. 1 plus no digits here, which means 1. 0 plus 1, still 1, because 1 is allowed. The base is 2. Therefore, the digits that are allowed must be 0 and 1. All right. So we have 1 plus 0 plus 1, giving us 2. And that 2 is already up to the base, so we can't write that here, of course. We have to do the division. The base 2 divides into this result 2. 2 divides into 2 gives us 1 with a remainder of 0. The 0, the remainder, can be written, while the 1 is taken into the next digit. 1 plus 1 plus 0, that gives us 2, plus the incoming 1 from this result right here, making 3. 3 cannot be written, so we have to divide. The base 2 divides into 3, gives us 1 with the remainder of 1. Now we can write the remainder of 1 right there. And take this one, the result, into the next digits. Let's go. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3. Plus the incoming 1 gives us 4. And we must divide by 2. The base 2 divides into 4, gives us 2, remainder 0. We're going to write the remainder 0, of course, and take this 2 into the next digit. 1 plus 1 again gives us 2, plus the incoming 2 gives us 4 again, and we have to divide. 2 divides into 4 gives us 2 with the remainder 0. Again, we have to write the remainder 0 and take the result 2 into the next digit. That result 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And 2 has to divide into that 3 again. 2 divides into 3 gives us 1, remainder 1. We're going to write the remainder 1 and spill over the result 1 into the next digit here. And because there is no other digit for the interaction, we simply append the 1. And now that will be our final answer in base 2. Very simple. And that is actually which option? Option B right there. Very simple. Now, attached to this video are 2 quizzes that you should attempt to test your understanding of the content of this video. Also, in the pinned comments, there is the link to it tests on number basis, 30 questions in 30 minutes. So click on the link in the pinned comment to take the test. Finally, you can access the full presentation of the topic number basis. The link is provided in the pinned comment. Thank you for being part of the session. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Above all, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for being part of the session once again, and see you in my next video.